Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to discuss if anybody is not able to receive WhatsApp verification code while installation of WhatsApp on new phone or reinstallation of WhatsApp on old phone, then what is the procedure? Is it possible to verify WhatsApp without code? No, it is not possible. It cannot be verified by emails, only verified by SMS or call. The verification code is used to verify your own phone number. So either you have to verify by call or SMS. So if you are not receiving what things you can take care, I'm going to discuss in this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel and just press the thumb icon below the video. So what is the first step? Go to the setting and go to the apps, and here just search for WhatsApp. Go here, go to the permissions, and here see okay, phone permission is allowed but SMS is not allowed. Allow both. So now after checking the doing this, just check that you are receiving your code or not. If you are not receiving your code then in that window you will find the where 6-digit verification code has to be entered. You will find call option. Just go through that, click on that call, and the call will come. Just they will tell the 6-digit code and enter that. If you are just getting success in moving into your WhatsApp, it is good. But if you are not able to your problem is not getting solved, then what further? Next step, in that screen top right corner 3, suppose in my WhatsApp, see here help center is there, and in your, because WhatsApp is not open at that time, you will find top 3 dots here. Just tap on there, and then from here you will find help, and then you will enter help center, and then you can contact customer care. Go there and then support, then contact WhatsApp support, write down your message, what is your problem, and you can write down that despite of doing this is my WhatsApp number, despite of doing all the activities, I am not getting that 6-digit verification code. I'm not getting that code. WhatsApp team will contact you sooner or later. So your problem may get solved. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.